have a small area such as a deck or a patio where you need to water, here's a great hose for you. It's not 100 feet long, it's just the size that you need. And it's also, if you'll notice, it's thinner and it's also lighter. So it makes it much more convenient to use in a small area. So when it's 95 degrees or 100 degrees outside, you don't want to be lugging 100 feet of hose. So pick one that's a little bit smaller, that fits the task, and also choose your favorite color. If you need to lengthen it, you can always attach it to another hose. But if you're working in a smaller area, use a hose that's appropriate for the size. Easier to store, easier to get out and use, and easier on your back. Enjoy.